like there's air inside, but there's nothing actually inside, but it's the material keep the pressure on the wheel. It can load over, let's say, 20 kgs. So welcome in this new video. I want to show you the 3D printed wheel with TPU material. This is a TPU material. This black one is the TPU, and this is a PLA. So, and I have 3 wheels, all are 3D printed with TPU. So in this video you can see how I am painting that on there. It's also flexible, very flexible, you can see here. So let's just try on this one. It's not without the rim. See, you see it's flexible, full flexible. So I can press, I can bend, I can do whatever I want, and then it come to the original form. So what you can see to this TPU material filament is that it's very good material. You just set the temperature at 210 and it works. And you see the rim is also printed. You can see here, I just insert it inside there, and then you can see I can mount on the track. So it's been very fast. All those designs are 3D printed. Everything is TPU. TPU material is very good. It's very soft and strong. So it just react like there's air inside, but there's nothing actually inside, but it's the material keep the pressure on the wheel. It can load over, let's say, 20 kgs on this wheel, so nothing will happen. See, yeah, this is what I wanted to show. Okay, let us check the feature. This is, you can see, it's very tiny material inside. Yes, it's our ball. You can see, if I show you, let's check. So this is 15. You see, around 16 the diameter. The diameter around 16 centimeter. So you see, to part until like this, look very strong, very strong. It's nice, man. Nice part for the top. You see, stay very stable.